But if somehow we improve our relationship with India, I know after last night's thrashing by Pakistan team in the cricket match, it's not a very good time to talk about improving relationship with India. But I'm imagining that if somehow we resolve, and there is only one issue between us, and that is the issue of Kashmir. And if like two civilized neighbors, we can resolve this issue. And it's all about human rights and the rights. The right of the people of Kashmir for the self-determination, a right was guaranteed by the United Nations Security Council to the people of Kashmir 72 years ago. So if that right could be given to them, we have no other problems. The two countries can live as civilized neighbors, but more, just imagine the potential. India then through Pakistan has access to Central Asia. And then Pakistan has access to these two huge markets, and this is where I want to impress upon our Saudi business community that circumstances never remain the same. They always change. But as you will know in your business community, the most successful business people are always the ones who have that ability to look ahead and take the risk. The ones who go on the trodden path never really become outstanding in any field, let alone business. So it's that ability, that fearlessness to look ahead. And if you look ahead, Pakistan is in that strategic location where it opens the doors everywhere. And what more would we want than our Saudi brothers to benefit from Pakistan's location and the potential the country affords?